Hello, this is SideMind. Welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to go over the Tasha-Style options for ability score increases. I didn't bring it up, but basically, in most of the new Tasha-Style races and so on, you get the option to choose either +2 or either +2 and +1 to ability score increases, or +1 to 3 different ones. People on Reddit were saying that you can't do this. You can. It's not even that hard. And so here we are. Also, this would be a race option. So we'll go to create race. Go. You can create it as a new race or a variant, whichever you want to do. I'm just going from scratch. Now, also, this would be where you put in your information about the race you want to do. This is just for me to show you the options. Test short days. Speed 10. Y10 30. Test description. Test traits. Enter. Right. So when you're making your racial traits for the ASI, you're going to be using options. So 30 score increase. You can choose to increase your scores. Hang on. Let me just. You can increase. I'm going to be making some mistakes. I have a headache and I'm sorry. You can increase 1 ability score choice by +2 and a different ability score by +1, or you can increase 3 consistent. Oh god, here we go. 3 different ability scores by +1 each. Copy and paste into the snippet. Scroll down. Display order. Whatever display order would be, in my case 1. Output is called out. Feature type granted. Character levels were options known. 1. That is important, it won't show up otherwise. Then save. I don't know if that's being picked up on the mic, but that's my belly rumbling because I have not eaten in 30 something hours. Anyway, modifiers. I'm getting ahead of myself. It's not modifiers. This video is going to be a shambles. I'm sorry. It's 8:10. I haven't slept properly. I have a brain condition. It is what it is. Options. There we go. Okay. So your first option, I just prefer to put it as one. Because I generally can't be bothered to do much else. Increase one interface go by +1. We can just remove that part and do the same there. No progress. Don't need that. Save. Modifiers. There we go. Modifiers. Nope. Bonus. And there we go. Choose an ability score to increase by 2. Fixed value 2. So yeah, bonus. Choose an ability score to increase by 2 to save. Modifiers, add a modifier. Something similar. Choose just an ability score to increase by 1 in the fixed value, and then save. That option is done. We will do the orange save once. Then we can cancel out. That takes us back to here. Add another option. It should be +1. Obviously, for your race, probably better to put something better than this, but it's whatever is going to work for you. Then we can just change that to this. Here we go. Save. Modifiers. Bonus. Choose. An ability score to increase by 1. Fixed value 1. Save. And then repeat. Modifier. Bonus. Choose an ability score to increase by 1. Fixed value 1. Save, and then we do it one more time. Bonus. Choose ability score to increase by 1. Fixed value 1. Save. That is done. And that's all you really have to do. So we'll save that. Then we can cancel out. And then click the orange save again here. It's always important to keep clicking the orange saves because it's what forces it to update in the background when it can. Save changes. And then you'd add in whatever other traits and stuff you'd want. I'm not going to do a whole new race. So let's test it. So we can go to Tools, Character Builder. So put this in a new tab. Standard. And test ASI. Let's do everything else first. So we're going to want this. Let's do point by. So let's say we want that to become +1, +1, +1, the rest is fine. We'll need to put in, doesn't matter, I just want to be able to get to, I think so. So obviously you'd make sure your homebrew is turned on, which it is by default, but just in case. Yeah, so this is where your short description would be. This is where it would appear. Ability score increases. So choose level 1 option. You can now choose to either do the +1 to each different ones or the +1 to +2 to +1. So let's say we did that. We'll increase our constitution by 1 and our strength by +2. So this means that when we go to check our ability scores, it should be that our strength will be 17, our constitution's, I chose the wrong ability score, that one will be a 16. And there it is, 17, 16. And if we had chosen a different option, because you can choose it on the description page as well, +1 to 3 different ones, then also we could have chosen strength, con, and dex, and got those at 16s. So yeah, that's how it works. And it does work on the sheet as well, just to check that there. And that's how you do a Tasha-Style ability score increase. I do apologize for the video being a mess, going through stuff, but it is what it is. So hopefully that will help. Any issues, obviously please feel free to let me know and I'll see what I can do. But there you go, that's how you do it.